What's the biggest thing on your guys' mind right now?
What you mean, like
what you're really pondering, or like what you want to happen, or what's the biggest challenge? Anything kind of?
I mean, I'm just promoting my music, honestly.
Trying to get it out there as much as possible.
Trying to get it out there as much as possible, get as much people to listen to it.
And what's going on with social content? Like, where are you pounding it?
I'm still on YouTube.
Of course, I know that.
Everywhere.
You know where I'm gonna go next, right? TikTok.
TikTok? Yeah, I'm on there.
How much a day?
I ain't on there as much.
I know, I saw. That's why I'm going there. Because I'll tell you why. One, TikTok changed everything that is in your body right now that you want to happen is one fucking TikTok. Which is why you gotta go 4 times a day on it.
4 times a day. You sound like me. How I tell people to do YouTube. That's
correct. You know, and YouTube Shorts especially, because YouTube Shorts now is coming off of TikTok DNA, and YouTube Shorts is bringing more awareness to your overall YouTube. It's really important, man. Like,
yeah, I've seen people go from like 0 to 1 million in like.
And bro, you have actual talent. So the only thing that's like not letting you get what you want in your soul is the at-bats.
So what type of content on TikTok Shorts?
The thing that I really tell people in this moment, because it's funny, as you know, you probably have seen it. I've had artists come through, but like I pretty much have a good sense of who's gonna actually do something about it versus who's gonna me, give me some daps and go on and not do shit. So I was excited that you were coming through because I'm like, this kid's gonna do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do
So let me give you the answer. What you should do is every down moment now, flights, you're waiting 5 minutes before your next meeting, just consume the fuck out of TikTok. Because if you're consuming it, and then the way you do it, because the way the algorithm shows is if like you're looking at pretty girls, just gonna keep getting them, you need to go to search and just type in anything you give a fuck about. Anything. Artists that you like, food, music, sports, TV, just type it in, hit enter, consume. After about a week, you're gonna have a sense of the flavor. Right? You know how you do like micro shows and like you walk in and a few minutes in, and I don't know how you are as a human, whether it's a few minutes in when you walk in or you need that first song to go off or that first few minutes of this or few seconds of the song, you got a sense of the vibe.
Yeah.
And then you'll accordingly adapt to that.
Yeah.
That's what I want you to do with the content. I need you to like go get the vibe first and be like, that. You're like, fuck, that works, but I ain't doing that. The reason nobody did TikTok when I was telling everybody to do TikTok was because they were like, I ain't a fucking 14-year-old girl, I ain't dancing. And I was like, it's not that, right? YouTube started as people ripping off television and putting fucking Family Guy clips on YouTube.
Yeah.
Shit evolves. Instagram was photographers taking nice photos. Shit evolves. So you need to go in there, capture all the flavor, be like, that's corny, I ain't doing that. Fuck that, I can't do that. Oh shit, I can do that. And then go. It's even happening with my career right now. The green screen, like when people are like talking in front of like, that shit works for me because I got hot takes. I can take a headline and be like, this is what it means. And that shit's crushing for me. I don't even need my own content team anymore. Just take a screenshot of an article, put the green screen on, give them my 2 cents, and I'm out. So I think, listen.
So you post 4 times a day on TikTok?
Yeah, now I have a big ass team, but for the first 7 years of my career, back in the day, if you came through when Twitter was popping off in 07, 08, I was tweeting 100 times a day by myself.
100 times a day?
I was going to sleep at 4 a.m. because I was like, this is it. This is my chance. I don't have the money. Nobody knows who the fuck right? Yeah, those are old classic. Look, tell them how many. Look at one and tell me what the date is on it.
2017.
And how many likes and comments? It's nothing. Those are small, tiny numbers back then. And those are my greatest hits. You know what I mean? So it was 0 and 2 and 3. But with TikTok, one of the biggest reasons people don't go hard is they don't like how many followers they have. They don't feel good. Like, I got more subs on YouTube, right? So it's on some insecurity shit. Fuck that. Don't worry about that. Because one fucking post where
you know what's Googling my nephew. I don't know if you've seen him. He made a little. You probably.
That I definitely seen. I just don't know what
to kill.
Oh yeah. Bro, listen. If I had the talent that you have, and I know this is how you work, every hook that came to me that I wanted to build around, I put that shit into TikTok first. Just the hook. I mean,
the actual song or just acapella?
Fucking the words even. Just because, people love bars. People like me, but I don't have the like rhythm or talent musically, but the words I say touch on the same thesis. Honestly, whatever the fuck, right? Like if you're in an airport and something hit you heavy, in that moment is when you're most like raw and real about it. If you just say it, if you see 97,000 people go crazy and are just like, that's bars, you're like, fuck it, I'm gonna build around that.
Yeah.
Whereas, you know, like your best ideas came, went, and are gone.
Facts.
I know. That's why this shit is interesting to me. And for an artist, like just get it the fuck out there and the research comes back to you. Look, may you rest in peace, like P&B Rock, like that was one Kylie Jenner, like 2 seconds on that song completely changed the course of his career. One snap back when it wasn't even viral like this.
Yeah.
That's the truth. I watched his career the whole way. One half a second. Fucking Yachty. Like, right? Like, we remember at Arkansas State, one little, like, the number one opportunity you have, and why I wanted to get a few minutes, so I appreciate it, is you need to be putting out some fucking content on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And YouTube Shorts, the same shit. And that you're gonna like because I know you're fucking deep on YouTube, and it's gonna feed the subs are gonna just start going. I know, I gotta go.
Okay.
I do.